In the veterinary ophthalmology world, we've been doing this kind of specialty work probably for the last 40 years. And we do almost everything that can be done in the human world. We do cataract surgery the exact same way that it's done in people. We deal with glaucoma, injuries to eyes, and other eyelid abnormalities that are birth defects in many different breeds of dogs.
We see a lot of problems that are isolated to the eye, but really are manifestations of something going on in the rest of the body. So I think that we work really well as part of the team. There are even some surgeries that we do in conjunction with the surgeons, depending on what's going on. And like I said, a lot of the cases that we look at, we see the eye problem, but we know there's something else going on in the rest of the body. So it's nice to have internists here to help kind of do full systemic workups.
The neurologist works very closely with the ophthalmologist, as the optic nerves, the nerves going to the brain, are really an extension of the brain. We also deal with dermatology. The eyelids have many eye skin problems, and internal medicine, because the general health of the animal is often reflected in the eye. Issues in aging, of high blood pressure, can often be first looked at in the very back of the eye, where we're looking at the blood vessels of the retina. The types of surgery we do in veterinary ophthalmology often involve specialized equipment. Here we have the operating microscope, which is an absolute necessity when we're doing very fine work within the eye, on the surface of the eye.
We're compassionate about animals, and we're compassionate about, you know, the love the owners have for their animals, and that you can't separate the two.
We have to be up close and personal with them, using instruments to actually look within their eyes. The animals, if you just take your time and are very slow and work with them in a calm way, seem to be quite trusting.
Hopefully they see us be tender and gentle with their pets, and they, know that we have our own pets and we understand what they're going through, and that we would be doing the same thing for their pet that we would do for our own pet. So hopefully they can just tell in our mannerisms, and that I think we're all really good about taking the extra time to care and listen and understand people's concerns when it comes to their pets.
The great thing about Metropolitan is that everyone is here. All the different specialties are here. We all know each other for many years. We're friends. We cooperate, work together to try to have everything done at once on the pets, treat them as efficiently as we can with the highest quality we can.